Hey everyone, welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. It's Wednesday, September 25th. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, and as always, I've got your morning market rundown. Let's dive into what went down in the stock market yesterday. Just a quick reminder, everyone. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital, Asset Management Frankfurt. They're your go-to provider for personalized investment solutions and mutual funds. For more details, visit amf-capital.de. All right, let's get into it. So, U.S. stocks saw a modest rise on Tuesday, and guess what? Both the Standard & Poor's 500 and the Dow hit record closes. Again, the Dow closed just above 42,200, while the Standard & Poor's 500 was up about 25 basis points, marking its 41st record close of the year. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, led the day's gains, rising by a little over 0.5%. Now, there were a few things happening yesterday that shaped the market. First off, China rolled out a big package of stimulus measures, its largest since the pandemic, which really gave global stocks, and oil, a nice push. U.S.-listed Chinese companies like JD.com had a field day, with JD's shares jumping nearly 14%. Not a bad day for them, huh? But it wasn't all smooth sailing. We did see a dip in consumer sentiment. The Conference Board's index dropped to 98.7 in September, quite a bit lower than the August reading and below what economists were expecting. Still, Wall Street managed to shake that off, with the rally continuing thanks to the momentum from last week's Fed rate cut. Speaking of the Fed, we had some comments from Fed Governor Michelle Bowman, who dissented from last week's decision for a half-point rate cut. She's still worried about inflation risks sticking around, which is something to watch as the Fed keeps making moves. So, that's your market update for this morning. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Sella, and I'll be back tomorrow with more market insights.